I would like to show you a hip style roof building. This particular one is a 10'x16 and it comes with double fiberglass raised panel doors, two 24 by 27 inch windows, and we have a three-color scheme going on. It's tan siding with cream colored trim and avocado doors. On the roof you will see a special shingle that we can do. It's a recycled rubber slate. It's a recycled rubber product that looks like authentic slate. It's actually a 50-year shingle, so it's a very good product. If we go inside here you're looking at smart panel siding. This is one of the better paintable sidings on the market. It has a 50-year warranty. It withstands changing temperatures very well. It doesn't buckle and warp, and also it's termite resistant. On the roof we have the TechShield Radiant Barrier again, which is standard on all of our buildings. Helps to keep them much cooler. So there it is. This particular one is here on display, and we're offering it at a discount price of $4,200. So you can purchase this particular building for $4,200 if you buy the display, and it's here at 4765 Pacific Street in Rockland. Our phone number is 916-630-7433, and our website is backyardunlimited.com. We hope to hear from you soon.